Chris Zorn here, MarineMax Baltimore, aboard the 2020 320 Sundancer. Start here in the Transom. You got triple 250 Mercuries. They come with the JPO, so you have the joystick piloting with it. Step up into the boat here. This is the Transom. There's a huge storage locker back here. Moving forward, you have your freshwater washdown, as well as your remote stereo. As you move further in, you set up for entertainment all the way around. You have your grill here with a sink and refrigerator. Nice teak inlaid table with the wraparound seating. This also will move for entertainment. That way you can be one section with the guests, or if you're underway, you have a nice companion seat. Moving forward to the helm, you have your thigh-rise bolsters here. You have your joystick, as I mentioned before, your Simrad VHF, as well as your dual screens and your Fusion stereo. As you move forward, we'll go to the cabin here just a little bit, but I want to show you this very unique bow seating. You come here in the bow, and as you can see, you have three very large seats here, all with armrests, a stereo remote, as well as a spot to put in a table, so if you want to have lunch or just hang out. Moving into the cabin, as you can see, I'm a pretty tall guy, and I do have enough room to stand down here. You do have a microwave, a refrigerator. This drops down into a bunk, or you can pick it up and have a table. As you can see, you have a television there for entertainment. You have a full head with shower. And finally, here in the rear, in the aft of the boat, you have a convertible bunk with television as well. Taking the tour of the 2020 320 Sundancer. Please come on down for a demo or give us a call.